Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. If you have a computer and you really want to improve your computer internet speed, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you get it done without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu, right click on it, and this is going to pop up. And the next thing you want to do is to simply go to device manager right here, click on device manager, and this is going to pop up. The next thing you need to do is to simply locate network adapter, click on here, and this is going to pop up. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on dual band wireless, your wireless name, right click on it, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on properties, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to advanced tab. Then from advanced tab, then you have to simply scroll down right here and make sure you look for transmit power. Then from transmit power right here, come to the value section and make sure you choose the highest value, and then come down below right here and hit on OK. Then restart your PC. With that, your internet is going to be speed up and you are going to enjoy improvement in your internet data browsing on your PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.